We all are professionals. We all have our occupations. And students also, they are occupied with their studies. But we do some activities during our free time and during our leisure time for relaxation. So what are the expressions we use to describe those activities? Rewarding. Rewarding is give positive experiences. This we feel when we work for a voluntary organization or when we help a charity. I work for the conservation. I plant trees. And it is very rewarding because it gives me a sense that I am doing something good and useful to the society. Some activities, they are very fruitful. That means they produce good results. This happens when we collaborate with someone or when we cooperate with someone in an activity. Like Jane and I have been fruitful partners for many years. She plays the piano and I play the violin, and it had been good for us. Some activities are therapeutic. That is, they are healthy to the body and healthy to the mind. Like jogging. I find painting to be very therapeutic because it makes me feel good inside and also teaches me patience. And some activities are lucrative. When we say lucrative, they are profit making. They bring money. She has taken up photography as a lucrative hobby. She sells her pictures to the magazines. And some activities are very relaxing, like yoga, meditation. I like to write poetry because it is very relaxing to the mind and also helps me to understand myself better. And some activities, they are time consuming, like being a president to a club. I want to be the secretary of our club committee, but it is very time consuming. I am not able to decide what to do. These are some of the expressions we use for the leisure activities we take up in our free time. And now let us see some expressions, informal expressions for the things we do in our free time or leisure time. Culture vulture. That means to say a big fan of culture. He is a culture vulture. He attends to a lot of theatre and goes to every art gallery he finds. Couch potato. When we say somebody is a couch potato, he is a physically inactive person. He is a couch potato. He spends a lot of time, many hours watching TV. Chores. Chores are the things that are boring to do but very important to do. Joe spends his weekends doing chores like cleaning up his home and washing clothes. Amateur. Amateur is a person who takes something as a hobby but not as a job. Lucy likes playing tennis only as an amateur. She never wanted to be a professional. Shopaholic. Somebody who is addicted to shopping. She is a shopaholic. She buys all sorts of things that are not necessary. Compare this with alcoholic. When we say a chocoholic, he is addicted to chocolate. A workaholic addicted to work. Shopaholic addicted to shopping. But it is not as serious as alcoholic. It is only used as a fun way. But alcoholic is a very serious and medically recognized condition and addiction. Hooked on. He is hooked on is again addicted to. He is hooked on to motor racing nowadays. Lock oneself up. That is to be isolated from the world. She locked herself up in the room for many hours listening to TV. These are some of the expressions we use for the free time activities and leisure activities. Good day, everyone.